Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am Jaleel Abbas from Multan Public School and College. This lecture is prepared for class O level 8 and in this lecture we will discuss how to attempt the question of directed writing. Duration for this paper is 1 hour and 30 minutes and this paper has two sections. Section 1 that is of 30 marks and in this section students do directed writing and section 2 that is also of 30 marks and in this section students do creative writing. But in this lecture we are going to discuss only section 1 that is of directed writing. Word limit for directed writing is 200 to 300 words. It means that students cannot write less than 200 words or more than 300 words. If they do this, they will lose their marks. For ideal directed writing, there must be 230 to 250 words. Suggested timing for directed writing is 40 to 45 minutes and rest of the time will be given to the creative writing. In directed writing section, the examiner may ask you to write on any one of the following types. Number 1, letter writing. It may be formal or informal. Report writing, newspaper or magazine articles, and speech. This is a sample paper which I have taken from past papers. I will read it for you. You are advised to write between 200 and 300 words. Total marks for this part 30. You will be awarded up to 15 marks for following the task instructions. You will be awarded up to 15 marks for the language you use. Your aunt has written to you asking how you are getting on at school. You reply telling her about a recent incident which upset you very much. Write your letter. You must include the followings: what happened, why you were so upset, how the situation was resolved. Cover all 3 points above in detail. You should make sure your aunt will understand your feelings and sympathize with you. Start your letter with "Dear Aunt" and remember to provide a suitable ending. Patterns will be discussed in next slides. The question set by the examiner has 4 parts. Number 1, situation. Set by the examiner. Your aunt has written to you asking how you are getting on at school. You reply telling her about a recent incident which upset you very much. It means that you have to write within this situation. Instructions: write your letter. You must include the following. After that, content points are given. 3 content points are given, and these are very much important. What happened, why you were so upset, how the situation was resolved. And all 3 content points will be elaborated or discussed in separate 3 paragraphs. What happened in one paragraph, why you were so upset in another paragraph, and how the situation was resolved in another paragraph. Suggestions given by the examiner. Cover all 3 points above in detail. You should make sure your aunt will understand your feelings and sympathize with you. Start your letter with "Dear Aunt" and remember to provide a suitable ending. Now we are going to discuss pattern of writing an informal letter. First of all, at the top of the letter, you are supposed to give an address. Write your address at the top of your letter if asked by the examiner. Very important. The British method of giving an address is to start with the smallest point, as in the following examples. First, flat, then floor, then building, after that Market Street, then town, then city. So this pattern will be followed. After writing an address, you will write a date. Put the date below the address, or if you like, to the left of it. So you can write below the address or on the left side of the address. So you can see this in this example, the date is written below the address, 17th April 2020. Format of address without punctuation. Sometimes students feel difficulty in writing punctuation, so they can adopt this pattern. After the address, greetings. You will start your letter with salutation, dear aunt. After writing dear aunt, you will write the body of your letter in which you will discuss three content points given by the examiner. And you can start your letter in this way. Dear aunt, thank you very much for writing me, and you will cover all three content points. Language. In a letter to a friend or relative, though an informal letter, it is wiser to use ordinary formal language. You cannot use slangs or colloquial expressions. The ending, you can write yours affectionately as given in the example below when ending a letter to a relative or a friend. And after writing yours affectionately, you write your name. Tips to write a letter. Write simple and clearly. Use correct paragraphing. Check that you have answered all parts, three content points of the question. Examine the content points and decide before you begin to write how you are going to join them. Make sure that you cover the points in detail so you can score 15 marks for task fulfillment. In directed writing, the paragraphs are usually small and may vary in number between 3 to 5. First paragraph may be of introductory paragraph describing the situation. Second, third, and fourth paragraphs will cover three content points, and in fifth paragraph, you may add concluding remarks. This is the format of informal letter. You have written the address, then you have given the salutation, dear aunt. After that, you have described three content points. Paragraph 1, elaborate first content point. Paragraph 2, elaborate second content point. And paragraph 3, you will elaborate third content points. And at the end, you will write yours affectionately and your name, Muhammad Ali. Format of formal letter. Ensure that if you begin your letter with dear sir, dear madam, dear editor, you end with yours faithfully. And if you begin with a name, for example, dear Mr. Khan, you end with yours sincerely. So this is a pattern. First, sender's address, then date. After that, you will write receiver's address, salutation, dear sir. Three content points will be elaborated in three paragraphs. At the end, you will write yours faithfully and your name. Format for eyewitness report. So I read it for you. To the police inspector, it means the report is written to a police officer. So you will write like this: to the police inspector, Gulgais police station, from Muhammad Ali. After that you will write date 17th April 2020, and after that you will write the subject. Then you will discuss three content points, and at the end you will write your name or the signature as asked by the examiner. Format for article for a newspaper, school magazine, or for an account. At the top of the article, you will write an appropriate heading. After giving the heading, you will elaborate the three content points given by the examiner, and at the end you will write your name. So this is your home task. Do this letter at your home. Do the practice of all the formats given in the slides. Read them thoroughly and do the practice on your notebook. And this letter will be written by you at your home. So this is your home task. Thank you very much.